If you've got a Roku stick, Roku box, or Roku TV and you're not using the Roku app on your phone, you're leaving a lot on the table. This app isn't just a bonus, it actually gives you 5 features that make using Roku faster, easier, and honestly way more convenient. Let me walk you through them, quickly but clearly, and stick around, because the last one is the real game changer. First, install the official Roku app on your iPhone or Android. Search Roku in the App Store or Play Store and make sure it says Official with Roku Inc. as the developer. Open it, sign in with your Roku account, then tap Devices. If your phone and Roku are on the same Wi-Fi, it'll connect automatically. Alright, now for the good stuff. Feature number 1. You can open apps straight from your phone. Instead of clicking around on your TV, you can open any app straight from the Roku app. Just tap Netflix, YouTube, Live TV, whatever you want, and it launches instantly on your TV. It's fast, it's smooth, and it drops you right into the app without all the usual remote clicking. Feature number 2. Your phone actually doubles as a Roku remote. Lost your remote? Battery's dead? Doesn't matter. Just tap the remote button in the app and you've got full control. Every button is there and it's super responsive. You also get voice search, which is way faster than typing with arrow keys. Just tap the mic, say what you want, and Roku pulls it up instantly. Feature number 3 is finding what to watch across all streaming apps. This one seriously saves a ton of time. Instead of searching Netflix, then Disney+, then Prime, you just search once in the Roku app. It shows you what's trending, gives you trailers, and tells you exactly where you can stream a movie or show. You pick the service, and Roku jumps straight into the app and starts playing. No guessing, no app hopping. Feature number 4. Audio presets and Equalizer. One feature people always miss is the sound controls in the Roku app. You can switch between presets like movie and music, and then fine-tune them with a built-in equalizer. That means you get clearer dialogue, better bass, and just cleaner sound without digging through all those TV menus. It's simple, fast, and honestly, easily second-best features in the app. Now here's the best one. Feature number 5. Private listening through your phone. This feature alone really makes the app worth installing. Just tap the headphone icon in the Roku app, and your TV audio streams directly to your phone. Connect your Bluetooth headphones, and now you're watching TV with wireless headphones, even if your TV doesn't support them. It's perfect for late-night watching, shared spaces, or just getting better sound without blasting the TV. That's it. Drop a comment if you're going to use any of these, and let me know which one you think is the most useful.